this is Divvy from Divvy Does Disney, and today I'm starting a new series called Divvy Does Disney in German. Now, before I forget, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because the more subscribers, the better. Now, let's get started. So, in this series, I basically want to tell you and teach you different phrases, German phrases that you can use in the EPCOT Pavilion, the Germany Pavilion, when you're speaking to the cultural representatives, or if you just want to impress your friends. So, let's get started. The first sentence is, can I have some caramel popcorn? Now, you say this by saying, kann ich bitte Karamell Popcorn haben? So let's say it again. Kann ich bitte Karamell Popcorn haben? Kann ich bitte Karamell Popcorn haben? So that means, can I please have some popcorn? Kann ich bitte means can I please, and Karamell Popcorn haben means caramel popcorn have, basically, but they phrase stuff differently. So, kann ich bitte Karamell Popcorn haben? Now, I want you to say this by yourself. I'm going to give you a few seconds to try it out. Great. So, there's another way to say this if you want to be a little bit more formal. Könnte ich bitte Karamell Popcorn haben? Which means still, can I please have some popcorn? But könnte is a bit more formal in case you want to be more polite. But yes, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I will be doing a lot more of these videos in the future, so stay tuned. This is Divvy from Divvy Does Disney in German, signing off. Bye!